A new era for Women's Basketball Hall of Fame class of 2026. A trailblazing women's class enters the Hall of Fame. The Basketball Hall of Fame class of 2026 is celebrating a remarkable generation of women who helped transform basketball and create opportunities for future stars. At the center of this historic class are Candace Parker, Elena Delle Donne, Chamique Holdsclaw, and the legendary 1996 U.S. Olympic women's basketball team. The 1996 Olympic team holds a special place in basketball history. Led by players including Dawn Staley, the team captured Olympic gold in Atlanta and helped build momentum for the growth of professional women's basketball in the United States. That generation became an inspiration for players who followed, including Parker and Delle Donne. Candace Parker went on to become one of the most decorated players in WNBA history. She won 3 WNBA championships with 3 different teams: Los Angeles, Chicago, and Las Vegas. She also became the only player in WNBA history to win the Rookie of the Year and MVP awards in the same season. Parker also won 2 NCAA championships at Tennessee under legendary coach Pat Summitt, along with 2 Olympic gold medals and 2 WNBA MVP awards. Elena Delle Donne also established herself as one of the league's greatest stars. She won WNBA MVP honors in 2015 and 2019, with her second MVP season ending in a championship for the Washington Mystics. Delle Donne also achieved a remarkable shooting milestone, becoming the first WNBA player to finish a season shooting above 50% from the field, 40% from three-point range, and 90% from the free throw line. Another legendary Lady Vol, Chamique Holdsclaw, earned her place in basketball history long before entering the WNBA. She helped Tennessee win 3 consecutive NCAA championships from 1996 through 1998. The 1998 team completed a perfect 39-0 season, an extraordinary achievement in college basketball. Holdsclaw later enjoyed an 11-year WNBA career. The class of 2026 also recognizes several influential figures from the men's game. Amar Stoudemire, a 6-time NBA All-Star and 2003 Rookie of the Year, spent the first 8 years of his NBA career with the Phoenix Suns. Doc Rivers enters the Hall after a highly successful coaching career that includes an NBA championship with the Boston Celtics in 2008 and more than 1,100 regular season victories. Legendary offensive-minded coach Mike D'Antoni, longtime NBA official Joey Crawford, and Gonzaga coach Mark Few are also part of this celebrated class. But the biggest story may be the recognition of the women who helped change the future of the sport. The 1996 Olympic team helped demonstrate the enormous potential of women's basketball on the international stage. The players who followed turned that momentum into lasting professional success, inspiring millions of young athletes around the world. For Parker, Delle Donne, and Holdsclaw, entering the Hall together represents more than individual achievement. It is a celebration of the generations that came before them and the generations they inspired. The class of 2026 therefore marks another important chapter in basketball history, a celebration of the women who helped turn a dream of professional women's basketball into a lasting reality.